Hi guys, my name's Celeste. I'm sorry if you are at my channel and confused what my channel is about. I essentially do everything. I talk about cat care, I talk about art stuff, I do aerial silks, I run. So my content will be everywhere, all over the place. I'll make playlists if anyone's ever interested in looking at a specific type, but today we're going to talk about the best planner for people with ADHD type B personality. And thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe. And at the end of this, let me know what type of planners you have used and which ones you've liked and which ones you've hated. But for me, I like the Midori MD planner. Honestly, this isn't really a planner. Technically, this journal is a one line a day notebook. And essentially, it comes with a calendar, as you can see. And honestly, for starters, you get to decorate the front cutely, whatever, right? This is mine. This is my cat Kimchi. This is my cat Mochi. And I also put the little ones that look like my cats. I have 4 cats, so. And I think this is a good journal. And my review on it so far, I have used it every week. The reason and the biggest perk of it is that it's a line a day, right? So this is what mine look like, right? So I know a lot of people have an issue with penciling in their own journals, but I feel like this one makes it less complicated. Like you don't have to make it pretty. All I did was use a highlighter and wrote the date on it, and I'm doing it by week. So I'm not doing anything in advance. I'm just, this is February, this is this week, like literally I just do it by week. This is empty, this next one. But this is what it looks like. And I think this is a good journal because if you miss a week, you could just pick up the next week because it happens. And I feel like it makes me feel less bad. And honestly, near the end, if it's pretty empty, I'm just going to put like some junk journal in those last pages and like journal on it, or like put one piece of junk and journal on it, or write my feelings out. But I think this is perfect because you don't have to commit to it, essentially. And it does have empty pages in the back that I have not used actually because I'm scared to. I'm thinking about writing my YouTube goals in it, but you could use that for anything as well. And honestly, I think it's perfect because it's minimalistic. And I feel like I used to see planners that always said things like, "Oh, this is for ADHD," and then it'll have like 50 million things in it, and we don't need that. It's too complicated, too much for us to deal with. So I honestly think that this is cute. Like, look at how much space I have. I like to do with my plain calendars is write a to-do list on the side. So I like how it has extra space. Like, it's pretty cute and pretty helpful, like to jot down any side notes for the month in general. But as you can see, I post a lot of shorts on my journal because I love it. I'm proud of it. But I like to make mine cute, and this is what my journals look like, right? I know people have a problem with penciling in their own dates, but I don't because I just do a highlighter, do the date, and I keep it simple. I feel like keeping it simple will aid you. And honestly, if you are gonna complain about how you can't keep up with this either, then I just feel like you shouldn't have a planner. I'm sorry. I know a lot of people like just want something to be for them, but sometimes it just isn't. But this has been good for me personally because it has the dates I pencil in, and I've been consistent with it. It comes with these pages that show the entire overview of the year, and it also has some empty pages, which I'm thinking of writing my YouTube goals in the back of it, but it's blank. The perfect journal because of how simplistic it is. Literally, I feel like neurodivergent people need very simplistic things to keep up with it, because if it has your water intake and your diet plans, you're going to be overwhelmed because you're going to think you have to stick to it, or you're going to be frustrated because you forgot to fill it in. This, you fill it in yourself. You do what you need to do. Like my thing only has to-do list, literally to-do list. Sometimes I write how grateful I am, but it depends on the day. And then I just decorate it. And I write up my events, I decorate it. That's it. I feel like it's simple. I use a lot of stickers. I don't do my own art because I know I'm gonna get frustrated. I love art, but I can't do art every day. So yeah, this is the best journal, and I'll show you pages at the end if you want to stay tuned. I think they're aesthetic and cute, but a lot of people don't like them because they don't even like my shorts. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. That's my opinion. I